Hello everyone and welcome back to Tinateach Python. Today is another mandatory assessing set items, right? For every built-in data types that we looked over, we looked at how to access their items, how to loop it, and how to check it. This time, it's with set, looping, and checking. First off, with looping, you can always rely on your good old for loop. I have a set over here with the values vanilla, chocolate, and strawberry. Now, for values, this once again is a placeholder, and you can use any sort of text you want. You can use single characters like X, Y, A, B, C, or you can just say like to be print, or like set values, or it doesn't have to be values, is what I'm trying to say, okay? In a set, print values. Now, if you remember from what we've seen previously with lists and dictionaries and tuples, what for loop will do is it'll print everything, every value that a set would have. So you would have vanilla, chocolate, and strawberry, okay? Next up, checking. Checking is very simple. It's denoted by the keyword in chocolate in a set, okay? If chocolate is in a set, it'll return true. But if not, it'll be false. Now, not checking is to see if whether or not a value is in a data set, denoted by not in a set, okay? Mint is not in a set, so this will return true. But however, if mint is in the set, this will return false. I have a set, and in this, I'm gonna follow my PowerPoint and make it vanilla, chocolate, and strawberry. I'm gonna have a for loop I'm gonna go with a single character, X in a set, print X. All right. Now let's go down here and do some checking. Print mint in a set. Print vanilla not in a set. Print chocolate in a set. Now let's see how all this works. If you run it, okay. First, with the for loop, it prints out chocolate, vanilla, strawberry. Now, why is this in a weird order? You know, vanilla is vanilla, chocolate, and strawberry, not chocolate, vanilla, and strawberry. Well, if you remember, one of the important properties of set is that it is unordered, okay? So it comes in random. Let me try resetting to see if it actually would change the order, okay? Over here you have strawberry, vanilla, and then chocolate. Now it's just automatically random. Next up, mint in a set, which is false. That is true. Vanilla not in a set. False again, because vanilla is in the set, and chocolate in a set, which is true, okay? Now that's it for assessing set items. Once again, it's very, very short. For list tuples, it's kind of all the same, just differing a little bit based on the properties of each data set that you're dealing with. Now, our next topic is going to be about adding set items while set items are not changeable, right? You can't just, after you've created them, you can't just change them willy-nilly, but you can add and remove items to a set. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Learn today, better tomorrow. Goodbye.